Hey there, Apple fans, Lisa here. Apple just dropped the news that iOS 17 is coming to iPhones from iPhone X and upper series. So let's get right in and cover its top new iMessage features. Searching is a breeze. Stack those search terms, find what you want just like your very own tech superhero. At the very top, you're gonna see this search box. Over here, you can just type in any message and search for it. All the messages will appear. Also, you are able to search the photos. Now you can turn your photos and videos into stickers, and guess what? We have got effects too. You can choose any of the photo that you want to turn into the sticker. I'm gonna choose this one. All you need to do is long press on it. With that, different options will pop up. Tap on the option of add sticker. Tap on the option add effect. With that, you're gonna get different effect options. You can choose any of these. You can apply the same process and add a sticker from other photos as well. After you are done with choosing stickers, you can open your iMessage and open any of the conversation. Tap on this plus icon. Tap on the option of stickers. Over here, you will find the sticker that you have created. Now you can easily send it. Also, you are able to use these emojis to react to the conversation. In this way, all you need to do is hold and drag it. You can enjoy this react feature. Check-in feature. Check in because we all need a sidekick. Let your peeps track your adventures and no, it's not creepy. You decide what info to share. Tap on the plus icon. Select the option of more. Tap on the option check in. With that, you can share your current location. Verification codes, they have overstayed their welcome. Now you can automatically delete them once they have done their job. For that, open your settings app. Now scroll down and head towards the option of passwords. Go to this option of password options, and over here you can find this option of clean up automatically. You have to toggle on for this option. With that, you will be good to go. Contact posters. Time for a makeover. Customize your contact card with photos, emojis and background colors. Tap on the username. Go to the option info. Tap on edit. Now you can tap on the option of customize. You can select the option contact photo or poster. I'm gonna choose poster. Now from here, I'm gonna select Memojis as my poster. You're gonna get tons of options. You can choose any of these. Also, you can choose the background color. And after you are done, you can tap on the option of done, and with that, you are good to go. Alright, that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your tech savvy pals. Until next time, this is your tech buddy Lisa signing off.